So what do we have here? It looks like bearing material, silicone all over the place. Here we have the engine taken apart. Funnel number one looks pretty good. And you go number two main. Number one main looks good. You see it keeps getting worse as it goes down the line. Oh shit. Yep. Spun rods, spun crank bearings. Here's a look at some of the lower bearings. They look amazing. Then there's the oil pump. A little gear supposed to be there, which it was, but you see how it wasn't lined up to the pin properly? It cracked the main shaft. Here's what's supposed to be there. And then you can see that everybody that builds an engine right here knows what that discoloration means. Yep. Aftermarket cheapo pistons. Even though OEM ones were provided for rebuild, this engine was freshened up. It had all new stuff in it. All it needed was oversized and a rehone and new pistons installed with a 0.25 increase on diameter to prevent the piston slap. And yeah, this is the result. They said it had a bad oil pump. The engine didn't even have an oil filter, so it ran without oil. And we took it apart, we inspected it, and all of this crap, it's like, I don't know, looks like some eBay shit, because this engine used to have all OEM Honda correctly sized bearings. I don't even know what the hell those are. Anyways, you gotta look out who you have touching your cars. Like, we don't even want to look at the deck of the, they like sanded it. The way this looks right here, sanded, it's the way the mating surfaces of the head and the block look like. It was supposed to be sent to a machine shop, but it looks the same way that I had it when I freaking took it apart the first time and rebuilt it. It had piston slaps, so we needed to oversize it, but interesting. Not my car, my friend's car. But I was not available for the second rebuild with the correct piston size. So he went to a shop. This is what he got.